Girl Bella. Hello babes, it's me, BrownGirlBella. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing some things that I got in PR. Plus I got a new phone, so I'm going to show you that as well. And without further delay, let's just jump right in, shall we? Let's go. So I opened this up, just ripped off the top, but this is the first thing that I got in PR. This is from my friends at New Beauty. For those who are members of my paid subscription, which is called the Bella Brigade, you know on Fridays I give what's called a Freebie Friday. And this was one of the Freebie Fridays. I also take part in it as well. So I can show you what the products are and also give a little bit more context of what this product is designed to do. So for those who are members of my Bella Brigade, every Friday I give a link to this Freebie Friday. It is free for the members of the Bella Brigade. All you have to do is pay shipping and handling, which I do as well. This one was the Percon MD, which is a great brand. They started off in spas and now they are exclusive to just a small amount of retailers. But this is the No Rinse Intensive Pore Minimizing Toner. So this toner you use right after cleansing. It says it is a powerful toner that targets even the most stubborn and large pores and excess shine. It gently exfoliates and purifies the skin of residue and excess oil, dramatically minimizing the appearance of pores for a perfectly matte, clear looking, more uniform complexion. You saturate a cotton pad with this and you can use it morning and evening. So thank you, Percon MD. I will certainly use this. As you see, I already have a lot of shine on my face, so that will be much needed. Open this one up. Some of them I pre-opened and some of them I didn't, so let me open this one up. Okay, so this one actually came fast because this one was one that was recent, but this is the Nioxin. This is advanced formula. It helps visibly increase your existing hair diameter for long-lasting, fuller-looking hair. Now, I know you're wondering, well, Bella, your hair looks very full. It is full when it is blown out and not all the way straightened. But if my hair were straight, you'll see that I do have some patches where my hair is starting to thin. It's not bald patches, thank goodness, but this will help me kind of avoid getting bald patches. So this is a 3D extensive product. It boosts and increases your hair diameter. It penetrates the hair and makes it manageable and full. It increases the thickness of your existing hair strands, and it protects against hair damage, allowing it to grow longer and thicker. So even those with long hair need help. So this is something that I got for the Freebie Fridays. It was, I think, $12.95, which is all of the prices for shipping and handling. Is usually like $12.95. Then there's also options if you want to add on additional products, but for this one I just wanted to get this. So hopefully this will help save off my hair from thinning any further. But as always, I will let you know what happens as I use it. So the next box that I got in PR came in this beautiful box right here. Do you know what it is? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Well, when I saw it, I knew right away what it was, and it is by my friends at LYS. So as you know, I am a part of their confidence crew. So last year I did a set preview of their 3 cream blushes, and this year they came out with a set of 3 liquid lipsticks. So I am going to be trying these on at the end of this video, but this is the box that came. I am so happy to once again be partnering with LYS on this project. They have a series of holiday collections for you to choose from, and so definitely check them out. And if you want to save some coin while you're at it, please do use my code, which is LYSBGB20 for 20% off of your purchase. That's LYSBGB20. Okay, so this is, I partnered with the makers of Sensodyne for their Pro Enamel Active Shield toothpaste. I don't know if you know this about me, but I have sensitive teeth. So I sometimes, my gums will bleed if I'm brushing a little too hard, and if I'm getting a cleaning, my gums will bleed if the technician who's doing it is a little rough. So I love this product because it helps combat sensitive teeth, and it also prevents cavities as well. So I'm excited to have this product, and I'm going to save that for a future video. Maybe I'll do a Get Unready With Me. I used to do them quite often on this channel. Haven't done one in a while, so maybe we're due for a Get Unready With Me, Bedtime with Bella. And you can see me, I usually like take a bath, and I show you my bath products and things I use in my bath, my lotions, my Sol de Janeiro collection, and I also go through my makeup routine, unmakeup routine for the nighttime, show you how I take off my makeup, what products I use, all of that stuff. And now I can show you what toothpaste I use to brush my teeth. All right, so that was everything. And then, like I said, I did get a new iPhone. Listen, I was one of those, when the new iPhone 15 came out, I was like, you know what? I'm happy with my iPhone 13. Nothing's wrong with it. It's working fine. I don't need to get a new camera. I don't need to get a new phone. None of that stuff. And then my camera started acting up. And then my video started looking a little funky. And I said, you know what? Let me go and check these out. So I ended up going to my store. I shop with T-Mobile, and as luck would have it, I was almost finished with my old phone, paying it off, because I do it in monthly installments so it doesn't hurt my pockets too much. And so I ended up paying the rest of that phone off, and with me turning in this phone, I was able to get the iPhone 15, also in pink. I was able to get it for nothing. So I don't have to pay any monthly payments. It's outright my phone. And so unless they come out with another pink that I'm like fascinated by, I think this is going to be it for me for a while. So really happy to have that. I'm still setting it up on my old phone, which I need to take back tomorrow, and then complete everything on this one. I will need to get, like on my old one, I have a tempered glass. I need to get a tempered glass on this one too. I heard that this is titanium, so it's supposed to be like more sturdy than the other ones, but knowing me, I need to be careful because, you know, I drop ish like a pigeon. So I don't want to drop this phone because it's an expensive phone. Expensive. So I do not want to lose it, to drop it, any of that. So I'm transferring all of this stuff over, which is why I'm not showing you the old phone, but I can show you the back of it. The new one is, I think, thinner. It's kind of the same size. Yeah, it's the same size, but it's thinner. I think on the sides, it might be a little thinner. And this pink is definitely more blush pink. This pink is definitely more like salmon pinkish, which is perfect for me. So really happy to have this new one. But I like this one too. I'll miss you. But she's back with a new phone. And hopefully this camera will work a lot better. I'm told it does. But it looks the same. Like the only difference is the circumference around here is a darker pink than this one. But I'm told the camera is better on the 15. So we shall see. So that is everything. So let me take this lipstick off and then I will be back and we can swatch those 3 shades from LYS and be out of here. Okay, so for this eye look, I actually filmed this on Sunday for Sunday Sips. So if you want to see how I got this look, you can go back to this past Sunday's Sunday Sips and see how this was achieved. So inside they give you 3 lipsticks. The first one is Poetic. So let's put Poetic on. This kind of gives me like an Indian rose kind of look. And here it is on. It's very nice. It's subtle. Definitely work appropriate or school appropriate because it's not going to give you that much impact in terms of like boldness to the color, but very, very pretty. This is Poetic. Okay, the next one is called Honest. Now this is a nude lip color, so it's going to give you almost like a My Lip But Better kind of pinky nude. So here it is. If you don't like to wear your nude colors without lip liner, this would be perfect. Any other kind of brown liner to play up that nude kind of look from the liquid lipstick. But I like this. This one is called Honest. Here is the last lip color. It is called Admired. This color is perfect for the holidays. It is a bolder lip than the other 2, but really, really beautiful and work appropriate. I would definitely wear this to work. I wear this whole look to work, to be honest with you. This is a really beautiful holidays, festive kind of look. And if you're in a creative environment like I am, they don't blink an eye at stuff like this. So this is something that you can absolutely wear. Or if you're doing to your holiday parties, you can definitely use this look and this lipstick as well. I love these liquid lipsticks. They're very comfortable to wear. They're easy to take off. They're not going to stain your lips. And they are long wearing, and the fact that you can get them all as a set, very, very nice. So let me tell you about the other holiday sets that they have available at LYS. They also have the higher standard 3-piece blush set, which I told you I previewed last year for the holidays. They brought that back. And this 3-piece set is $22. The Speak Love 3-piece matte liquid lipstick set, which I just demoed, that retails for $29. Then they have a Complete Confidence 5-piece rhinestone brush set. That's available for $42. And then they have a Speak Love 2-piece lipstick and gloss set. I also want to get my hands on this. There's one in particular that I am going to use because I have some gift cards that I was able to get from LYS because of the generosity of you babes clicking on my link and buying products. So I am going to get one of these 3. They have 3 different ones to choose from. They have dark chocolate, which is a lip gloss and lipstick set. All of them are. One is in dark chocolate. The other one is in cherry chocolate. Then they have hot chocolate and chocolate hazelnut. I think I'm going to get the chocolate hazelnut because that just appeals to me. But I'm also thinking about that cherry chocolate too. I think that looks really, really cute. And I love those wine colors that have just a little bit of brown to it as well. I actually ran out to get my favorite nail polish for the holiday season and fall time, which is Bordeaux by Essie. And I went to 3 CVS's. They had none of them. So if you know where I can get my hands on some Essie Bordeaux, let your girl know in the comment section below. I ended up getting this one by OPI, and this one is called Complimentary Wine. Hopefully it's the same kind of shade. I think so. I think it's kind of like that berry color. I don't know if it's the cherry chocolate kind of vibe, but we'll make it work because this was the only thing that I can find that was even close to my beloved Bordeaux by Essie. As always, thank you so much for watching and this mini PR haul. I am really excited. I'm most excited to try this pore toner. And I'm also excited to try this Nioxin. I heard some really good things about Nioxin products. So I'm hoping that that will help me out and kind of help me with these sparse patches that I have. So until next time, you have now been Bellified. Take care, babes, and I'll see you back here soon.